beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. So I'm finally back, and it's time for a new unboxing. This time we're gonna unbox the new iPhone 14 Pro in gold, and I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look like, how it's gonna perform. So yeah, let's get right on with unboxing. Okay, so as you can see here we have the box, and as usual it's very clean and very nice, high quality, all of that stuff. I really like the shine from the gold iPhone logo. And yeah, on the front we can see the island, the little island that they introduced with this iPhone. As you can see, 14 Pro. So let's do the most satisfying part. Okay, and this one, yeah, minus a lot of money. So let's open it. Wow, this is a really nice color. It's basically gold, just like a jewelry or something like that. It's very pretty. Wow. Okay, so as you can see on the sides we have the power button, and that's all for this one. And on the left side we have the mute switch, the buttons for the volume, and the SIM tray. Here we have the classic lightning connector and the speakers. And on the back side we have the 3 cameras that are doing an amazing job. On the front, nothing but just an antenna, and that's about it. Let's put it right on the side because I want to check out the box. Just like the old generations, we don't have the power brick, and we only have the cable. And for this one it's lightning with USB-C. I hope that at the next iPhone we are gonna have USB-C to USB-C. I'm very curious about that. Okay, and here we have the design by Apple in California. Always nice, always pretty. The SIM ejector tool. Okay, and a little bit of cards for some information, and only one sticker. That's a little bit weird. And also, if you ask me, a little bit of a bummer. I would expect it to be an Apple logo gold, because you know we have the gold iPhone. But yeah, that's what we get in the box. And now let's do the most satisfying part. Enjoy. Wow, this is really satisfying. Okay, and now let's power on the iPhone. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoyed it, and watch out because I'm gonna put more videos on this channel, also with an iPhone 14 Pro clear case from Apple, and yeah, more videos. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, have a great week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.